Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to download Adobe Express app in your mobile phone. So very first we will go to Google Play Store. Next in the search bar type Adobe Express. Now when you get Adobe Express AI video design, click on install. Click Adobe Express app. Now we will wait for it to download. Okay, now we will open the application now. There you go, you got Adobe Express. Now you can log in with all of the options in here. We are all good to go. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.